June 18th marked a significant day of the world of deep-sea tourism, and with a tragedy etched due to the fate of the Oceangate submarine Titan. This date was poised to be a milestone as the Titan embarked on its third dive, plunging into the depths of the North Atlantic to an astonishing depth of over 10,000 feet. The mission's purpose was nothing short of extraordinary: to transport 5 intrepid passengers to bear witness to the haunting wreckage of the infamous Titanic. However, hope gave way to despair as, after 1 hour and 45 minutes of descent, all communication with the submarine abruptly ceased. The Titan, once a beacon of exploration, found itself missing in the unfathomable abyss of the ocean. The United States and Canadian Coast Guard undertook exhaustive efforts to locate the Titan, but it remained elusive, its fate uncertain. It wasn't until June 22nd that fragments of the 23,000-pound submersible emerged off the coast of Newfoundland, confirming the worst fears. The vessel had imploded, tragically claiming the lives of all humans aboard. The abrupt tragedy raises profound questions about the circumstances leading to the catastrophic event and the exploration of the ocean's depths. The allure of Titanic's wreckage. The allure of Titanic's wreckage was held in an almost magnetic pull on humanity's imagination since James Cameron's iconic exploration of its haunting remnants. Oceangate, a private U.S. company specializing in deep-sea tourism, arose in 2009 in response to the persistent fascination among the elite to explore the enigmatic world of the Titanic's underwater grave. At the forefront of this audacious endeavor was the Oceangate submarine Titan, conceived to facilitate this once-in-a-lifetime journey. The Titan was poised to become a trailblazer in the realm of underwater exploration, designed to carry passengers on an extraordinary mission to explore the chilling remains of the Titanic. This daring pursuit of discovery took shape as the Titan aimed to embark on its third expedition with 2 successful trips to its credit, promising a unique and unparalleled experience for its passengers. The Titanic's Legacy. The legacy of the Titanic is one that echoes through history as a solemn reminder of human vulnerability and the indomitable power of the sea. The tragic sinking of the Titanic in 1912, resulting from a collision with an iceberg, stands as one of the most devastating maritime disasters of the 20th century. The wreckage now rests 12,500 feet below the surface of the North Atlantic, where it has become a somber memorial to the lives lost during the calamitous event. James Cameron's exploration of the Titanic's wreckage in 1985 further fueled global fascination with the ship's story. Using the deep-sea Challenger submersible, Cameron brought the haunting remnants of the Titanic to life for the world to see, sparking a relentless interest in uncovering the secrets that lay beneath the waves. The Titanic's wreckage has evolved from a tragic event to a symbol of humanity's hubris, reminding us of the need for caution and respect when navigating the natural world's formidable forces. The birth of the Titan submarine. The Titan emerged as a pioneering force in the realm of deep-sea tourism, symbolizing the remarkable possibilities that lay in exploring the ocean's mysteries. As a vessel specifically designed for the purpose of underwater exploration, the Titan carried the weight of expectations on its robust shoulders. Its success in previous ventures was evident in its triumphant dives to the Titanic wreckage in 2021 and 2022. These 2 expeditions served as testament to the submersible's capabilities and its potential to navigate the extreme depths that held the remnants of the iconic ship. The Titan's third expedition, however, was remarked by both excitement and trepidation. Among the crew members were individuals who shared a common spark of adventure and a desire to be part of history. British businessman Hamish Harding, Pakistani investor and his son Suleiman, French diver Paul-Henri Nachelet, and Oceangate CEO Stockton Rush were the fortunate 5 who embarked on what would ultimately become a tragic journey. These individuals, united by their thirst for exploration, stepped into the Titan with hopes of witnessing the Titanic's wreckage firsthand, unaware of the challenges that lay ahead. Safety concerns and design flaws. While the allure of exploring the Titanic's wreckage was undeniably powerful, past passengers on the Titan's trips had raised alarms concerning about safety and comfort. Dissatisfaction among these passengers have sparked discussions about the overall experience provided by the submersible. Despite its technological advancements, including collaborations with NASA that elevated its capabilities, the Titan was not without its flaws. The innovative use of a cylindrical cabin, deviating from conventional spherical design of most submersibles, posed potential risks that experts had cautioned against. This unconventional shape could unevenly distribute water pressure, potentially leading to catastrophic structural failure. Furthermore, the decision to seal the submersible with external bolts instead of internal mechanisms raised questions about escape and rescue. In the event of a malfunction, the crews inside the sub had no means of independent escape, a design flaw that would have dire consequences in a crisis. These design contraptions cast a shadow over the safety of the submersible, ultimately impacting the ill-fated expedition's outcome. The ill-fated expedition. Amidst adverse weather conditions, preparations for the Titan's third dive commenced on June 17th. The weather had been tumultuous, marked by one of Newfoundland's most severe winters in decades. Nevertheless, a brief window of opportunity emerged, and the crew seized it with a mixture of determination and hope. This journey, a perilous 8-day odyssey to the Titanic's resting place, typically involved enduring the immense pressure that came with descending at 12,500 feet into the depths of the North Atlantic. The Titan, a 21-foot submersible weighing a colossal 10,432 kilograms, embarked on its descent, accompanied by the surface vessel Polar Prince. In the initial hours of the mission, all seemed to be going according to plan. However, at 9:45, an abrupt halt in communication plunged both crew members and onlookers into a state of anxiety and uncertainty. This marked the beginning of a series of events that would transform a daring expedition into a heartbreaking tragedy, leaving behind unanswered questions about what transpired in the silent depths of the ocean. Communication loss and search efforts. This mission that began with such promise took a harrowing turn at 9:45 a.m. when communication with the Titan abruptly ceased. Panic and urgency filled the control room as the crew on the surface vessel Polar Prince tried relentlessly to establish communication. The crew's initial confusion soon transformed into frantic attempts to restore communication, but all efforts were met with an eerie silence from the depths. The gravity of the situation prompted immediate action from the U.S. and Canadian Coast Guards. The combined resources and expertise of the two maritime powerhouses were mobilized in a desperate search for the missing submersible. This marked the transition into an international effort with a multitude of assets being deployed. Ships, planes, and advanced sonar technology, including sonar buoys capable of probing depths of up to 13,000 feet, were utilized in the race against time. The grim reality of the situation intensified as the hours turned into days, heightening concerns for the crew's survival. Amid the backdrop of uncertainty, the June 22nd brought a chilling revelation. A deep-sea rover encountered fragments near the Titanic wreckage, unraveling the tragic fate of the Titan. The debris field offered haunting evidence of the implosion that had occurred. The initial discovery included the nose cone of the submersible, followed by a significant debris trail. At the end of this trail lay the front section of the pressure hull, a poignant indication of the catastrophic event. Further exploration uncovered an additional debris field containing the other half of the pressure hull, confirming the grim reality that the Titan had been torn asunder. Oceangate, the company that had been orchestrating the expedition, confirmed the devastating news. All members of the crew had perished. The fragments and wreckage formed a somber testament to the depths of the ocean's unforgiving power, forever memorializing the crew members who had embarked on a journey into the unknown. Unraveling the Tragedy. The unraveling of this tragedy exposes the fragility of the Titan's design and at the speed at which the catastrophe of this magnitude could unfold. Even at a minuscule defect in the hull's structure, invisible to the eye, could have triggered a cascade of events resulting in implosion. This catastrophic event, lasting mere milliseconds, is a stark reminder of the incomprehensible power wielded by the ocean's depths. As the implosion surged through the hull, the crew's lack of awareness was inevitable. The sheer velocity of the event left them with no time to process what was happening. Their surroundings transformed into a maelstrom of destruction. The implosion not only claimed their lives, but instantly cleaved the Titan into two distinct sections, a grim testament to the overwhelming force that had been unleashed. The tragedy of the Oceangate submarine Titan remains an indelible mark on the chronicles of deep-sea exploration. It's a somber reflection on the delicate balance between ambition and understanding the formidable forces that define the ocean's depths. The Titan's fate serves as a reminder that every endeavor into the unknown carries inherent risk, demanding unwavering commitment to safety and thorough engineering. Even in the wake of this tragedy, the spirit of exploration persists. Deep-sea rovers continue their diligent search for additional clues, hoping to unravel the intricate sequence of events that led to the Titan's implosion. This relentless pursuit of knowledge underscores the human thirst for understanding and the quest to prevent such tragedies from occurring. As we reflect on this heart-rending incident, director James Cameron's perspective resonates. The efforts to uncover and recover the Titan, while ultimately in vain, provide a testament to humanity's unwavering commitment to exploration and comprehending the mystery of our planet's most uncharted frontiers.